Hey guys, welcome to Toy Surprise Daily. My name's Tatiana and today we are building Lego Friends Heartlake Pet Salon. So here we have Emma and Joanna at the pet salon with their dog and all the different things that they can do there. I'm excited to show you guys, let's do it. Okay, so we have one booklet, 2 bags of Lego, 2 bases, and some awesome little stickers here. Let's start with bag 1. Okay guys, well that is bag 1. We have made great progress on the exterior and the fundamental structure of the pet salon. As you can see, we've got a sign at the front that waves. We've got glass doors so everyone can see inside the pet shop. And then on the inside, I'm not sure what's going on yet, so I think that's going to be bag 2. And then what's cool out here on the outside is there's an outside tap, which I assume is for washing the dogs. Alright, let's keep going and see what bag 2 has. Okay guys, well that is the end of booklet 1 and we have finished our Heartlake Pet Salon. We've got the little bath for the groomer to bath all the little doggies in. Got hot water, cold water, and then a gold faucet. We've got a stand here to sell little treats for the dogs, and we also have little pet hair clips so the dogs can look super cute when they leave the salon. Whoop. And then we have the outside of our main salon, and we've got what looks like a little cat play area here. We've got some cute plants outside. We've got a dog bowl full of water, and then we have the flag to make sure everybody knows where they're coming and what they're in for. So we'll go through to the main salon inside where there's heaps more to do. We've got the grooming station, which is equipped with scissors, we've got a comb, we've got a mirror, and it looks like we put the doggies there and the groomer does her work. We've also got these cool little clips that go into this little area here. There's a crown, there's love hearts, there's sunglasses, there's another mirror. There's so much to put on the dog and have fun with. On the other side, we have the cash register, which has a little drawer where the money is kept. Ooh. And then we've got dog food for sale. We've got dog food, we've got cat food, we've got canned food, and we've got cool little grocery bags hanging over here. Awesome. Heaps to do for Emma, Joanna, and their little furry friend. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. My name's Tatiana, and this is Toy Surprise Daily. Today we built Lego Friends, the Heartlake Pet Salon. Subscribe to the channel for more builds on Tuesdays and Thursdays and openings every day. See you later.